Family, what did I tell y'all, man? We are right back. We dropping like flies, man. I told you we're gonna keep pushing out content, keep pushing it out. So once again, man, thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, tuning in to your boy, man. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to the channel, cause I keep telling y'all, I'm gonna beat it in y'all head. We're on our way to 10K. We almost there, man. So also share it, send it so we can get out to who needs to see it. Shout out to the good people at StockX, man. I did hop on there and do a little shopping. Supreme joints. This jacket right here that y'all finna see, I actually had it. It's been on my mind but it was on my mind a minute before I purchased it. I seen it everywhere. Only thing about StockX and Supreme be like extremely high, so you gotta put your bid in. You know, it was a few prices I wasn't comfortable paying, but eventually I did meet a price. Now, this right here, I already had this, but I had said I was gonna bring it to the channel later. I was gonna bring it to the channel a little later on. And I told y'all, like on the previous video, I was in my closet the other night going through some stuff. Like this right here was another jacket. It just haven't been worn yet. So, but I always wanted this. I think they call it like an anorak, something like that. Y'all correct me. See, I don't know if I'm saying it right. But if I'm saying it wrong, y'all go ahead and correct me. So, y'all can see the front. This is it's leather, and it is a heavy leather. But I fell in love with this jacket when I first seen it. I don't know if it was because of like that Seattle Supersonic colorway. That's like hella dope to me. That green with that yellow on there. What does it say? Oh, you got Nike up right here in the front, and in the back it also says Supreme. Y'all can see right there. I can hold the jacket up. And on the side of this joint right here, it's got two checks. It got a check right here, green Nike check, and another Nike check right here. Now I'm not familiar if Supreme and Nike done another collab. Y'all can comment down below. Let me know if they have. I wasn't too anything. They did other colors like this. I think it was maybe a black one and maybe another colorway. Don't get me getting it mixed up. But this red colorway was definitely the one that stood out to me. I definitely had to have it. Shout out, like I say, people from StockX. I ended up paying like right at, I think this was like $800. But at the time, like they was going for like $1,200, $1,300. So I got him down to a price that I wanted to pay and I was comfortable with. So shout out to this joint right here. And let me see, we got a zipper on the front. Nah, I don't think it has a zipper. Well, yeah, we got a zipper right here in the front. This joint is just heavy, and it also has a like if you close it up, it's like a Velcro on the top right here. I probably won't be closing it up though. So let me try this joint on for y'all. Let y'all see how it looks. So straight into the try on, y'all can see this is a size extra large. Fit perfectly. Got the pockets right here. And I think it's a pocket right here. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's a zipper. I didn't even notice. So this is zip right here. That's a lot of storage space in it. Yeah, the zipper right here, and this opens, and this goes deep down. This goes pretty deep down. I'm trying to zip that back closed. And you got pockets right here as well. And I don't know why. Y'all comment down below. Let me know why zipper's on the side right here. See? Zipper. Well, now I see why it's zipper on the side. It comes all the way up. Y'all can see both sides. But me personally, I don't like, I don't know, like my hoodies, I don't really like them just long like that. Like sometimes I just take them, like just cuff them or whatever. Not like tuck it, but like just cuff it. Look good. That's just me. But other than that, man, it's just dope. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think. And yeah, of course the hoodie. The inside of this joint is made with some type of material, man. I don't know what type of material this is. Feel like a satin. And that's a feel good material, whatever they put inside of this. So yeah, I see why I resell so high though, because this joint is heavy. In the wintertime, it's definitely gonna keep you warm. It is definitely almost time that these joints come out. So let me show you guys what sneaker that we will be pairing up with this hoodie and a rack jacket, whatever you want to call it. So on to the sneakers we will be pairing up with this jacket. these Seattle Supersonic Dunk lows. I forgot these are I forgot what dunk these is. The one with the big SB. Yeah, Dunk Low SB Pro, and they came with red laces, and I think they may have came with another set of laces. I don't know, but I definitely threw the yellow in to match up with the jacket. So shout out to Nike on that. I don't know if they made, well, they couldn't have made this specifically for this jacket because this jacket came out way before these sneakers did. So when I seen they were releasing these sneakers, and I knew I always wanted this jacket, that was one of the reasons too. I was like, I definitely gotta grab this jacket. So y'all see this joint right here, perfect match. Seattle Supersonic Dunk Lows. They're not calling this a Supersonic jacket though, it's just a colorway. So when y'all see your boy, I will have this little fit on. So y'all comment down below, man. Let me know that y'all purchased these. If I'm not mistaken, I think these were like hella cheap. I think I bought them like the first day they came out like a dummy, but they went on sale and it was like hella cheap. So if y'all purchased these, let me know. So on to the next item. On to the next item. We did purchase another Supreme item, of course. This Supreme jersey right here. This is probably the craziest Supreme top I've seen in a while, man. With the cream, the brown, turn on the back. The cream, the brown, what stand out so much is like that pink with that brown. It's crazy. So I think I ended up purchasing this one. But like, if you go look at this jersey right now, it is probably, it may be going for like over $1,000. I think the last time I checked, it was going for like $1,200. I don't know if they smoking on, but they can enjoy it. Cause I definitely wasn't finna pay that for this now. I still got knocked upside the head. I think I ended up paying like $500 for this. But it was way less than what they were trying to get it to go for. So we got a size large. It run pretty big too. So I was kind of like nervous, like, damn, I want to, should I get an extra large? I am so glad I didn't get an extra large. It would have been too big. Cause I didn't know like the material. I thought it was like an actual jersey, but it's like a shirt. And the rhinestones on the front, I guess they go with it. Maybe. They could have left it off, but the shirt's still dope. I see the back of it once again. Yeah, and at the bottom, you got this Supreme tag. You got the size on the bottom right there, as well as the tag from StockX. So, and they got the red Supreme tag in the shirt. So, y'all comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all think about this. But I'm gonna try it on right now. Y'all let me know what you think. And try on for item number 2. What y'all think about this? Tell me. Turn around and y'all see the back. So I was telling y'all about that size large. I'm so happy that I went with the large. Because the extra large would have been super big. Because I still got a little room in this. So I thought I wasn't gonna like. I didn't know it actually came with the rhinestones, but I don't feel like it's doing too much. I can work with it. So it's hella dope to me. Like I say, the pink on the sleeves right here stand out. That's what make this mug just crazy. I don't know, man. I would love to know what would make them come up with the color concept of cream, brown, and pink. Which is a crazy concept for me, man. Out of all I got a few Supreme purchases. I'll buy Supreme if I like it. But like out of all my jerseys I got, and I'm gonna bring y'all like a mention in this haul too. Cause I'm steady copping jerseys and stuff daily. Like out of all the jerseys that I own, it's probably like the hardest one. But nah, I got my 97 Jordan jersey, so don't let me get too carried away. I'm gonna bring them to the channel. But this joint right here is fire. So let me show you guys the sneakers that we will be rocking with this jersey. And sneakers, some of y'all, if you know me, you already knew I was going with this. Shout out to Travis Scott. These joints right here is crazy. So what made me want these, cause I wouldn't have even paired this, even though it would have matched. Cause these shoes came with like, let me see, they came with 2 different laces. They came with a pink set of laces, and they came with a cream set of laces, and a brown, so it came with 3. But when I seen that these came with the brown laces, I had to purchase them. Just to put them with this right here, I had to. So, cause this was a knockout the park for me. This was like a home run. I was supposed to wear this to the fight, but I was like, you know what, I ain't really know what I wanted, but I was torn in between the 2. Who sang this song? I don't know whoever sang the song. Y'all comment down below whoever sang the song. But yeah, this brown right here is dope. Match up with the jersey. So this will be, y'all see me definitely pairing this up. So like I be telling y'all, want me to see y'all. If you guys want to see me rock the whole outfit, head straight over to my TikTok, Scotty_Nino. You'll see me put this whole outfit together, accessorize it from belt, socks, keychain, whatever accessories I put with the outfit. So y'all let me know, man. Comment down below. Let me know if y'all rocking with fit number 1, the jersey with the dunks, or y'all rocking with fit number 2, the Supreme top with the Travis Scott. So y'all let your boy know that. And once again, man, right after this, we dropping another video. Excuse me. We'll be looking forward to probably another Ralph Lauren video. I want to hit the, I got a coupon for, I think it's 25% off. And I'm gonna hit the Ralph Lauren outlet. So man, if y'all haven't already, go ahead and like this video, sub to the channel, share the video so we can get it out to whoever need to see it, or whoever needs to see it. Comment down below once again if you like outfit number 1, or if you like outfit number 2, or if you purchased any of these outfits, y'all get with your boy. Let me know, man. So until the next video, man. Thank y'all, each and every one of y'all. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are up because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ay, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna